Good morning, baby. Time to wake up.
Good morning, baby. Time to wake up.
Did you sleep well?
Did you sleep well?
It's time to get ready for school.
It's time to get ready for school.
Make your bed before you leave.
Make your bed before you leave.
Brush your teeth before breakfast.
Brush your teeth before breakfast.
Hurry up or you will be late.
Hurry up or you will be late.
What do you want for breakfast?
What do you want for breakfast?
Don't forget to pack your lunch.
Don't forget to pack your lunch.
Did you comb your hair?
Did you comb your hair?
Where are your shoes? Put them on.
Where are your shoes? Put them on.
Did you finish your homework?
Did you finish your homework?
Check if you have everything in your bag.
Check if you have everything in your bag.
Don't forget your water bottle.
Don't forget your water bottle.
Eat your breakfast. You need energy.
Eat your breakfast. You need energy.
Are you dressed yet?
Are you dressed yet?
Put on your jacket. It's chilly outside.
Put on your jacket. It's chilly outside.
Finish your milk before we go.
Finish your milk before we go.
We need to leave in 10 minutes.
We need to leave in 10 minutes.
Give me a hug before you leave.
Give me a hug before you leave.
Make sure you listen to your teachers.
Make sure you listen to your teachers.
Have a great day at school.
Have a great day at school.
How was school today?
How was school today?
Change out of your school clothes first.
Change out of your school clothes first.
Did you learn something new?
Did you learn something new?
What did you have for lunch?
What did you have for lunch?
Do you have any homework?
Do you have any homework?
Tell me about your day.
Tell me about your day.
Did anything exciting happen?
Did anything exciting happen?
Wash your hands before eating.
Wash your hands before eating.
Do you need help with your homework?
Do you need help with your homework?
Have you finished your homework yet?
Have you finished your homework yet?
Don't forget to clean up your toys before you go outside.
Don't forget to clean up your toys before you go outside.
Take a break from the screen and go play outside for a while.
Take a break from the screen and go play outside for a while.
Did you drink enough water today?
Did you drink enough water today?
No more snacks. You'll ruin your appetite for dinner.
No more snacks. You'll ruin your appetite for dinner.
Why don't you read a book for a little while?
Why don't you read a book for a little while?
It's too hot outside. Stay indoors for now.
It's too hot outside. Stay indoors for now.
Are your friends coming over this afternoon?
Are your friends coming over this afternoon?
Let's finish your chores before you go out to play.
Let's finish your chores before you go out to play.
You can watch TV for 30 minutes, then turn it off.
You can watch TV for 30 minutes, then turn it off.
Please be quiet. Your sibling is taking nap.
Please be quiet. Your sibling is taking a nap.
If you want to go to the park, you need to clean your room first.
If you want to go to the park, you need to clean your room first.
Stop arguing with your sister and play nicely.
Stop arguing with your sister and play nicely.
Have you packed your bag for tomorrow?
Have you packed your bag for tomorrow?
Don't forget to put on sunscreen if you're going outside.
Don't forget to put on sunscreen if you're going outside.
Let's do a craft or some coloring together.
Let's do a craft or some coloring together.
Remember, you have your sports practice this afternoon.
Remember, you have your sports practice this afternoon.
After lunch, we'll bake some cookies together.
After lunch, we'll bake some cookies together.
Stop fighting right now.
Stop fighting right now.
Use your words, not your hands.
Use your words, not your hands.
I don't want to hear any more arguing.
I don't want to hear any more arguing.
Both of you need to apologize.
Both of you need to apologize.
Take a deep breath and calm down.
Take a deep breath and calm down.
Is this really worth fighting over?
Is this really worth fighting over?
We solve problems by talking, not by fighting.
We solve problems by talking, not by fighting.
If you can't share, neither of you will play with it.
If you can't share, neither of you will play with it.
How would you feel if they did that to you?
How would you feel if they did that to you?
Go to your rooms until you can play nicely.
Go to your rooms until you can play nicely.
Go play outside for a bit before it gets dark.
Go play outside for a bit before it gets dark.
Have you finished your homework?
Have you finished your homework?
It's time to wash up before dinner.
It's time to wash up before dinner.
Set the table for dinner, please.
Set the table for dinner, please.
It's time for dinner. Come and eat.
It's time for dinner. Come and eat.
No more TV. You need to get ready for bed soon.
No more TV. You need to get ready for bed soon.
Don't forget to pack your school bag for tomorrow.
Don't forget to pack your school bag for tomorrow.
Have you brushed your teeth yet?
Have you brushed your teeth yet?
Help me clean up the living room.
Help me clean up the living room.
Please pick up your toys before bed.
Please pick up your toys before bed.
Time to change into your pajamas.
Time to change into your pajamas.
Let's read a story before bed.
Let's read a story before bed.
Don't forget to feed the pets.
Don't forget to feed the pets.
Did you finish your chores?
Did you finish your chores?
Turn off the video game, it's getting late.
Turn off the video game, it's getting late.
No more screen time, it's time to wind down.
No more screen time, it's time to wind down.
Don't forget to say goodnight to everyone.
Don't forget to say goodnight to everyone.
Make sure to use the bathroom before bed.
Make sure to use the bathroom before bed.
Turn off the lights and get under the covers.
Turn off the lights and get under the covers.
Don't forget to set the alarm.
Don't forget to set the alarm. Thanks for watching.